It's finally time to add bullet points to your CV. This is what we've been building up to. It's probably one of the most important elements of the CV. It's really the meat of what you've done in the past. And it's often the area that sometimes is overlooked because it's just like, like I've given you what you need to know, job title and company. It's like, cool, but we have to demonstrate value here. So let's dig into bullet points 101. Bullet points should be clear, concise, measurable, demonstrate some type of impact, whether it's the bottom line, money, or showing some type of reduction of headaches, or demonstrating future growth, progress, whatever. I don't know why I said progress that way. So it's always easy when it's associated with a good story. And usually stories are demonstrated via projects that you've completed and have had impact. So overall, this is supposed to be impressive in nature, and there is no such thing as an absolute when it comes to bullet points. I think this guy does a really great bit of advice on the idea behind can you have more than 3 bullet points per job? Absolutely. Should you probably put more bullet points for some of the companies that you spent longer at? I would say so. Is it repetitive? I don't know. It's up to you. So watch this, pause, watch this, and then let's continue. So adjusting tables is one of the areas that we're going to be compiling these bullet points. So basically the concept here is that we are going to fill out a crazy amount of bullet points inside of a sheet and then decide which ones we're going to pluck out. The reason behind doing that is so that we can train the LLM in the future to use bullet points that are the most accurate and the most, I would say, reflective of the work that we've done with a previous employer so that when we are tailoring future resumes, it will be able to pull from some of those as it matches what the requirements are or some of the projects that are noted inside of the job description. So we're going to dive into this. It is it is not the easiest module, but I promise after this, it's all downhill.